अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल टेस्ट प्रेप जोन। आज हम बिफोर पार्टीशन पाकिस्तान हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड डिस्कस करेंगे। व्हेन कायद-ए-आज़म ज्वाइंड मुस्लिम लीग 1913, 1914, 1911, 1916। Qaid-e-Azam presented his 14 point in 1929, 1928, 1927, 1930. (1929) When Muhammad Ali Jinnah was given the title of Qaid-e-Azam 1935, 1938, 1925, 1928. (1938) When Chaudhry Rahmat Ali presented the name of Pakistan 1930, 1932, 1931, 1933. (1933) Allama Iqbal gave his historical presented address at Allahabad 1931, 1930, 1932, 1933. (1930) Who was the last Viceroy of India? Lord Mayo, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Lincoln, Lord Hastings. Lord Mountbatten. Lahore Resolution is also known as League Resolution, Khilafat Resolution, Pakistan Resolution, none of these. Pakistan Resolution. The Pakistan Resolution was passed on 23rd March 1940, 24th March 1940, 14th August 1947, 6th September 1947. 24th March 1940. Who presented the Lahore Resolution on 23rd March 1940? Liaquat Ali Khan, Allama Iqbal, Fazlul Haq, Qaid-e-Azam. Fazlul Haq. Who translated Pakistan Resolution into Urdu? Chaudhry Halikuzzaman, Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi, Abdul Rabb Nashtar, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. मौलाना ज़फ़र अली खान। ये तमाम क्वेश्चंस पास पेपर्स को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए बनाए गए। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर मोर इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस।